further into the system.
That one was yeah, pretty much.
Yeah, just off on the back side of the hill.
Ooh, that one went off a little low.
Yeah.
Just a little.
Wee bit.
There's just your house right back there. You gotta be taxi cab? Really?
At least this year we get to watch the whole show. The you know, park catching on fire. No. Well, if the mountain catches on fire right now, it's okay because we're near the end. Last year it caught on fire at the beginning from the puckers.
They restarted it too. Like,
yeah, like we were all like kind of like milling around and they finished it off.
they were going off.
Yeah.
After we got home.
Well, I mean, I figured, you know, they had like $2 million worth of fireworks, and I was going, you know, blow them off. Yeah, that's excellent. It's so different.
Look at that one falling.
Mountain's on fire. You see the fire?
I love it too.
Okay, these are fillers. Alright, so we should get a big show in a second. These are all filler ones.
Really an idea what to try to get for
It's better than in the rest of the city, though, because people will do them in the rest of the city. There you go. I've flown through the fireworks before. Cool.
I'm just saying. And I would have
I like those. Those are cool.
I got it.
I like those too. Those are cool.
There we go.
There you go. Mountain's on fire. Come on. Set it on fire. Good job. Good job. You don't do your job until you set it on fire. The fire all out here. The fireworks are cool, but the fire's even better. Is there one further down?
It's a lot cooler and not as hot.
Yeah, and it's not as windy either, so the fireworks are going where they're supposed to.
Alright.
Oh no, there's a fire. No, there's fire. There's a fire behind the light post.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
Yeah, no, there's a fire over there. No, there's a fire there. Yeah, there's a fire over there. It's the little one. Look behind the light post.
I thought I was seeing one.
No, there's a couple.
There's a fire.
Oh my God, are you kissing her? What the hell? Jesus. Too much PDA for these kids. Wait, that's all the kids got here. Never mind.
There it is! Yeah, it's growing.
Mm-hmm. Burn, 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 baby, burn!
I know.
They built their house on a dry mountain. It's like the people in Malibu when the cliff falls down.
Yeah,
They built their house on a cliff. What do you expect? Yeah, someday it was going to come down. Today is the day. Follow that America.
That one didn't go quite, yeah.
Oh shit. That one just busted on the bottom. Burn, 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 burn. Come on.
You think the city would actually clear cut this?
Like, they're on top of it.
Raise the mountain for the fireworks.
How's easy to do?
Control bird.
That's the only way. Well, I don't know if they have water access up there, to be honest. They bring a truck up with water.
Yeah, they do.
They have water access?
Yeah, no, they have fire trucks. Oh!
There it is.
That one went a little low. All the kids are like, okay, let's go back to the house. I'm like, but no, if they didn't do this, you know how many fireworks would be? Like, there would be so many fireworks in this city. Please. There's like a fucking tender bed waiting to happen. Mm-hmm. Yep. It's right there.
But that one's right there. Yeah, look.
That's on the, that's on the side road.
Yeah.
And this isn't the finale yet. Gotta be right now. Okay, that's a filler. Filler. No, it's coming because they were a little late getting started. Woo. They're getting some big ones now. Here it comes.
What do you got there?
Well, see, at least if they do them on Rubito too, like, they know where the fire's going to be. They can run the fire line at the bottom.
Yeah.
And control it.
Just want a fire break anyway.
Yeah.
I'm sure they did.
Yeah, they have it cleared.
The one went off right by the center.
Well, I know
there
the
has to be.
fire break. You can see it. Yeah, you can see they did do a clearing.
It went off right there. And,
Yeah, you can see the down here.
No, last year was cool when the cars caught on fire.
Yeah, that was.
That was like the best ever.
I was a kid that used to catch fire every year.
That's what the song's playing. Come on, listen to the song. That's what's playing.